This conference will now be recorded.
So today we'll discuss about process builder. So let me log in into the system. So let me log into my app. Not- So let me log into the app. So process builder. So what is a process builder? Process builder is nothing but it's a next level of workflow. Okay. So whatever we have seen in workflow, okay, same thing will be there, but it's a next level. Okay. Um, means it's advanced topic. It's an advanced topic. Few features has been there updated in process builder. So you have more actions to perform here compared to workflow. Okay. So the requirement is, let's say same thing, whenever the user creates an employee records, we want to send a welcome email. So along with the email, what I want to send a notification to this. I want to send a notification, custom notification, as well as I want to send a um, I want to post to chatter. Okay, same message I want to send to uh, I want to send as notification, as well as I want to send in a chatter. Same message I want to post in chatter. Okay, so before that, let us add a chatter here. Okay, let us add a chatter to this layout. So chatter is nothing but that is also an object. Okay, so here we can in chatting application, as we have different chatting application in outside, like Facebook, Twitter, all those things we have, right? So where you can post, you can poll a question, and you can ask any questions. So then same thing you can do in the chatter also. It's kind of social media thing, but it's inside the Salesforce. Inside the Salesforce system, you can interact with the colleagues. Okay, so let's see how it look like. So you can see here, if you go to the app launcher, if you click on view all. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see here chatter. So what you can search here, chatter. Okay, it's chatter. Okay, if you double click, it will automatically add, but let's add this through app manager. Let me go to app manager. Okay, if I want to add any tabs, we'll go to app manager, right? So just go to app manager. The app manager, just go to Lens Digital app, sales app, click edit. Let's go to navigation items. So here, select chatter, add. Okay, and save it. So chatter got added. Just come back, refresh here. Okay, see chatter got added. So see chatter how it looks like. Okay, same, you can post a question. Okay, you can post anything. You can post a hi, or and you can mention your emotions. Okay, you can mention the emotions. Okay, so feeling happy. Okay, share, and you can tag to anyone. Okay, if you're creating any if you're sending any message, you can tag to anyone. Okay, so you can mention anyone, and you can upload a image. Okay, so you can upload an attachment link, you can share. So this how you can post any chat, and you can poll any questions. If you want to conduct any survey, you can poll a question here. Okay, and you can post questions. If you have any questions technically, you can post here, and you can check with your team members. Okay, so this is generally chat. In chatter, we can create a group actually. So how to create a group? Just go to here in the left side. There is a recent items. So click this plus mark. So new group. Click here, so that it will allow us to create a new group. So I'll say the group name called RD Reliance Digital admin group. Okay, or I'll say HR Reliance Digital group, Reliance Digital gang, I will say. Okay, something. Okay, then you can give the description, you can give any information here, and you can give the access type to, so whatever the users you add here, so that everyone can post here. Okay, then save on new. Next you can upload a logo for this group, so select a logo and upload a logo. So you can, and you can add a users, you can add members. Since we have only one user created, add this one user. Okay, user got created, let's click done. Now the charter will open in another page. Okay, so this is how we can create a group. Okay, so you can change the background color of the group, you can upload a logo. So let's upload a logo. Okay, you can upload logo, and here also you can post. Okay, you can post, you can share, you can post a group, and you can poll a question, you can ask a question, you can poll anything, right? And you can see here how many members of, you can manage from here. If you have any members to add, you can add from here also. You can see how many members got added. Okay, you can upload any files here, you can see any recent record has been seen by this group. Okay, so whatever the new joinee, I want to post the new joinee related information here also, with his name, details, phone number, and everything. Apart from that, I want to send an welcome email, along with I want to post to charter. Okay, I want to post to charter, I want to send a custom notification. So let me go to the process builder. Now let's define a process builder. Process builder, click new process builder. Okay, you can give the name here. Okay, so name I will say welcome, welcome new employee to Reliance system. Okay, and you can give the description, and you have something process here. So processes means when you want to execute this process, when a record get changed, or a platform event message is received or invoked by another process. So record changes means whenever you record related any change, any update, anything has happened, so the time on platform event message received means there is a third party system connected to Salesforce. So any changes, anything has been done, anything has been event occurred in the third party, respective process builder, respective thing has to be started in a Salesforce, then you can define a process builder. So invoked by another process means you can call within a process builder, you can call another processes. Means if you want to, let's say other process want to call this one, we can select this one. So we can see this one recorded change, because other we cannot see because we don't have any third party system connected here. Okay, so if you see one option, it's saying others. Okay. So now it's look like a flow chart here. See, it's look like a flow chart. Okay, so what you can define an object here, means on which object you want to execute this action. Then you can give the criteria. Okay, so if your criteria is satisfied, then action will be executed. Then once the action is done, it will stop. If the criteria is false, then it will stop. Now add a object. Okay, so I want to choose an object called, okay, on which object I want to execute. Basically I want to execute on employee, so it will display all the custom objects along with the standard one. Okay, so scroll down. Okay, see here it is display all the customs along with the standard showing. So here I want to display with employee, I want to go with an employee object. Okay, only when a record is created. Okay, why? Because when a record is created only, if I am sending, if the record is edited every time, if I am sending, I am posting to charter means it's look very odd. So only a record is created. I want to send. Okay. Then what is the criteria? Okay. Let's say I don't want to put any criteria. I'll go with the no criteria. Okay. I'll go with the no criteria. No, I said no. You can give any name. Okay. I just said no. Okay. No criteria. Okay. Let me give the name. No criteria. Okay. You can define it. If you have anything, you can mention a criteria. You can mention any formula you want to. But I'll say no, no criteria because to post a charter, to send a notification, I don't want any criteria. Okay. Maybe I'll go with the criteria for the email to send an email. Okay. So go to actions, add options. Okay. So here select the action types. So here you can process action. Actions.
Shubhanu, your voice is complete cracking.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So connectivity issue. So we have an options. If you go to an action, okay. So now criteria I want to execute. So what are the actions available? In Salesforce in approval process, sorry, in a process builder, we have 11 actions. So one is Apex, create a record, email alert, flows, post to charter, all these options. Okay. So in this Apex we cannot see. Okay, we'll see create a record, email alert, then post to charter, quick action, and submit for submit for approval. We'll see in approval process. Okay, update a record we can see. Okay, so, send custom notification also. Quip is a document software actually. Okay, so it's related to software, so we cannot see this one because we need to have connectivity with the Quip. Okay, it's a completely document oriented software. Okay, you can create a chart in the Quip, you can add a members to document. Okay, so it's completely Quip is a separate software. Okay, so Apex is the development, so we cannot see, and the flows also. If you have development knowledge, then only we can see the flows. Okay, so remaining we'll see. Okay, now the option is I want to send a custom notification. Okay, custom notification. So before sending a custom notification, what I have to do, same like email template, I need to create a one notification. Okay, so that I need to select a notification. So let me create a notification. We just go to setup. Okay, custom notification. Click yes, click it new. Just give R data R lens digital something. Okay, any name you can give depends upon project. So desktop, mobile support, then click save. Okay, so now you just come back and you have to refresh to upload this. Refresh. See, remember, if you activated the process builder, okay, so you cannot change anything. You cannot edit it. Okay, until you are not activated the process builder. Okay, until you are not activated the process builder, we are not activated. Okay, so in that time you can edit. Okay, if you are activated, you cannot edit. What you have to do, you can clone the process. Okay, so just go to action. I want to add an action called send a custom notification. Okay, notification type is uh, welcome welcome to Alliance Digital. Okay, already I want to say. So now, what is the notification recipient? Okay, recipient type. Who is going to receive this type? So recipient is user. Okay, the user, current user means who are all logged into the systems. Okay, so you can find user because we are not created any user. I'll go with the current user. Okay, means whoever will log into the system once the record got created, they will receive a custom notification here. So what is the notification title? Title. What is the notification title you want to give? The title I want to give is okay. Welcome. I'll say new new joining details. New joiner details. Okay. So what is the body? Okay. So in the body, what message you want to type? Just type hi all. Okay. Let's welcome. Let's all welcome Mr. or Mrs. Name. Name means what is the name? So I want to take a name. So whichever the name we give in the field, right? So that name has to come. So select the match field. In the match field, you can select the available fields which are available here. So employee first name. Okay. Choose. Okay. So whatever the first name you give, that name will come. Okay. Welcome to. That's all welcome so and so person to our our community. Okay. Okay. So here are the uh, details. Here are the details. Mention joining joining name anywhere you are displayed there, right? Date of joining. I want to display date of joining. So whatever the data you entered in date of joining field, select the date of joining field from here. Date of joining, select. Okay. Next, what is the designation I want to display? The designation. Designation. Select the designation field. Okay. And which story is allocated? Select match fields. Okay. So let's copy this one. Same message I want to post in Chatter also. Let's save it. Okay. Now add one more action. Add one more action. Post to Chatter. So welcome to Manchester. Okay. Add action. Post to Chatter. Maybe welcome to Manchester. I am to post to Chatter group. Okay, I want to post to Chatter group. Select the group name whichever we have created, Ancestral Gang. Okay, so I'll paste the message whatever we copied from this. There, same message I want to paste. Then save it. Okay. Now I want to add one more action. Okay, I want to add one more action saying that I want to send a welcome email. Okay, for email I want to set I want to have a criteria saying that in the email field email should be there, right? So that what I can do, I can execute in another action, means another step. See, you can create number of steps. Okay, n number of steps you can create. So what I will do, click this stop. Add one more action. See, define a criteria. I want to execute. I want to select the criteria name called uh, I want to go with criteria name, check an email. Okay, check email. Okay, check an email. So where the criteria is in the email field. Okay, in the email field, the field for the email. Okay, email. Okay, does not equal to. So we have selected in a process or flow. Does not equal to null, right? Does not equal to null. Then save. But here it's a mandatory field. Value is a mandatory field. Here what we can take is null, boolean, false. If you take true, means if the value is not then it will not. So you should select false. Means the condition is if it is not empty, then only execute. Okay, boolean false means is not equal to empty. Then save. Okay, so what action I want to execute? Add an action. So I want to execute action called email alert. Okay, I want to say welcome email. Okay, welcome email. So if you can select whatever the email ID, welcome, whatever the email template you have created, you can select from here, welcome email, and save. Okay. Okay. Select this one. Okay. Evaluate the next criteria. Save. Okay. So once this condition executed, this condition will execute. So like this, okay, you can define n number of processes. Okay, you can define n number of steps. Okay, then activate. Confirm. Okay, so it got activated. Now let's go and create a record. Employee. Yeah. Have email field. So let me create a non-sales actually. Non-sales department. And you have first name Shivang. Okay. Experience are not written. Qualification is MCA. HR. Yep. Which store is allocated? It's allocating to other what store. What is the email? Let me check my email. Give my email to check it. Shivang 6 at gmail.com. Okay. Save it. See, once you have saved, you got a notification here. See, you got a notification. Just click the notification. See, new joiner details. Hi all. Let's welcome Mr. Shivang to our community. So here are the details like store. Actually, we are not created relationships. Okay. Store name it came actually. Okay, but it worked right. And they go to group. Okay. In the group also came right. In the group also came. Okay. I need to check in email. Okay. Go to email. Okay. See. Oh, why it came? Two mails came. Save. Hyderabad it came. Okay. So as already workflow also is running. That's why two emails I got. Okay. Already workflow is also running. So the reason. Okay. So email came. Okay. Post to charter. Okay. Post to charter it came. Okay. You can like. Okay. And you can comment. Comment. Okay. Same thing you can see in charter also. So and custom notification also you are able to see. Okay. So we'll see other options tomorrow. Any questions here? Hello.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Shubhani,
No.
Yeah.
sometimes we need to delay the notification, no? Like sharing the information, I mean to say. For example,
Delay.
if a person
Mm.
if a person is joining today, I
Mhm.
may not be adding his information into the database on the same day itself. I may be
No,
adding the
see,
information.
I got your question. Okay. I'm just
Mhm.
telling, okay, whenever we need these kind of things, we have an option to do. Okay, but real time, okay, as you said, okay, so will not share the details the same day. Okay, it depends. It depends. So how to use the options, I'm just sharing. But in the real time, different case. So if they want to, once the record got created, then only they want to share. That time only we'll execute this process. We'll write a process builder whenever they want to execute. We'll execute that time.
Because I saw an option like a set schedule, some timer option is there
Yes,
in
yes,
the.
yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can schedule. You
Uh,
can schedule also. You can schedule
so
also.
can we use that option? That means I
Yeah, we can.
will. Uh,
Yeah, you can. You can.
so,
You can schedule whenever you want. You can schedule.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
Any questions? Okay.
No,
Okay.
thanks.
Okay. So, yeah, Shivang.
Yep, none from me.
Okay. Okay then. See you tomorrow. Same time.
See you.
Okay.
Thank you, Shubhani.
Thank you.